Hey, this is Patrick Hearn. I'm doing my 360-degree spot forest community video. I'm out here at the Florida Natural Area Teaching Laboratory. I'm standing in a cypress swamp. Let's see, 1 second. So cypress swamps have a relatively low plant diversity, and these swamps will actually burn during droughts, which reduces the number of species and allows cypress trees to dominate. Right here we have the pond cypress and the bald cypress, and they can be found all over Florida. And you know, this is kind of the general look. You know, this area may be filled up with water at times. It's not right now. There tends to be a pretty scarce understory due to the influx of water that may be found in these ecosystems. It's kind of thicker right now, but hasn't been raining as much, obviously. The soil in these ecosystems is characterized by a layer of impermeable clay that prevents water from getting down to other sources of groundwater, you know, to the aquifer and whatnot. And so this kind of leads to poor hydrology, and these areas are generally lower topography wise. That's why the water kind of ends up here, you know, flows from other ecosystems into this area. And so we already kind of went over some common plants. So the pond and bald cypress. I'll kind of continue along the trail here as I talk. We'll just kind of stop and as I go along. And so another common tree that we're going to be coming up on here is the wax myrtle. It's going to be up here on our right. You can kind of see it. Well, hopefully you can kind of see it. Some of the leaves. And keep going. Got some loblolly pines. You can kind of see that. It's kind of tall. A lot of times these cypresses will have Spanish moss in them. These are kind of bare. Right now it's kind of late in the season. It's kind of hard to see. Top of that, got some coastal plain willow, some red maple, things of that nature. Common animals are the white-tailed deer, the mink. We got some birds like the barred owl and the wood stork. You know, they'll be hanging out mostly in the trees. And then, yeah, we're gonna get to some other. Here's the red maple, right here. Get to that. You can see that. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. We got a coastal plain willow up here. Hopefully I can make it. My phone has a max amount of time. But here it is, right up here. This in 2 video parts, but you can see the coastal plain willow here as we go along. And but yeah, that's about it. Like I said, you can find some animals down in here. You can see it. Maybe some water snakes or some other type of reptile that likes to hang out there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the cypress swamp.